How to recover TikTok account password. So if you want to recover your password, then first of all open up your TikTok. After opening your login page, enter your email or username, and now if you forgot your password, then tap on forgot password, and you can choose phone number or email, and here you have to enter your email address and then tap on reset, and now it will send you a code to your email address that you entered just now. Now go to your email, and after opening your Gmail account, you will find your code here. Copy this code and enter it here. After entering the code, now you will get a reset password option. So enter your password and then you can tap on login. So that's it guys, that's how you reset your TikTok password, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.